In this video, I'm going to show you how to build assembly in QuickBooks Online. To do this, simply log in to your QuickBooks Online account. After successfully accessing your QuickBooks Online homepage, note that assemblies are the process of combining items in our inventory or services and products that we offer inside our business to create one finished product. So in QuickBooks Online, assemblies are synonymous to bundles. So to do this, on the upper right corner of the screen, simply navigate to the gear icon, and in here, under List, go to Products and Services. This will then direct you to a page wherein the list of products and services are provided. To add an assembly or bundle, simply go to New button. And in here, this will provide you various options. As you can see, on bundle, this is a collection of products or services that you sell together. For example, a gift basket of fruit, cheese, and wine. So basically, we combine specific items in an inventory to create bundle or assembly. Simply click this. And in here, you input the details and information regarding the bundle as well as the products and services that you would like to combine. Simply fill out this form. After successfully filling out the form, as you can see in here, we have this bundle or assembly named 4-in-1, wherein we will offer this to the client and we will combine 4 services that we have, which is gardening, lighting, installation, and pump, as a single product. So after successfully inputting these details, simply click Save and Close in here, and you will now successfully create your assembly or bundle. And that's about it. That's how to build assembly in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.